Medical advantages of bitter orange. The unpleasant orange is an amazingly notable product of the soil, additionally viewed as an important restorative spice as well. At first the harsh orange presumably started in China. In any case, by the Middle Ages the product of the unpleasant orange would be a most loved in loads of grounds, and its homegrown characteristics were regarded by Arabian doctors in the Middle East. Oil separated from the blossoms of the harsh orange is found and arranged like an aroma all through the 16th century, as far as anyone knows, by an Italian princess named Anna Maria di Nirola. She used the oil to fragrance her gloves. Along these lines, the neroli botanical oil, since it is currently known as restrictively exorbitant and acclaimed like an aroma. The use of restorative oranges is unquestionably the primary area of the Chinese cultivators, who are as yet the best devotees of therapeutic oranges and its specific cures today. Therapeutic arrangements generally are made out of the harsh Seville orange, C. aurantium, or even the better tangerines and satsumas, C. reticulata. The unpleasant orange cures have an incredible notoriety in a few spots. The utilization of the severe orange like a food just as for readiness of homegrown meds have been continuing for centuries. The blossoms of the unpleasant orange yields the esteemed neroli oil. The unstable oil removed from the leaves and youthful shoots is known as the petit grain. These two distillates from the unpleasant orange are utilized broadly in the perfumery and fragrance industry. Another result of refining of the harsh orange is a quintessence known as the orange blossom water. This truly is used in perfumery just as an enhancing inside the production of treats alongside other heated merchandise. This specific pith additionally offers various other restorative purposes and uses in homegrown medicines. The severe orange is actually a local plant of the fascinating areas inside the Asian landmass. These days, the unpleasant orange is broadly developed like a ranch tree through the whole tropics just as subtropical zones of the world. Regions along the Mediterranean coast have large amounts of plantations of the unpleasant orange. Spain especially has various of those plantations. Medical advantages of bitter orange. The severe orange natural product can be utilized in preserves, as expressed, however also in liquors like Triple Sec and Grand Marnier. Unpleasant orange fundamental oil is communicated through the organic product, while neroli oil begins from the blossoms. Producers likewise have the blossoms to distill orange bloom water, that has for quite some time been used to renew the air just as in conventional Mediterranean pastry dishes. Today, orange blossom water is used in specific mixed drinks, scones, just as wedding cakes. Severe orange oil communicated through the strip can be used to enhance confections, frozen yogurt, gelatins and puddings, biting gum, just as drug merchandise. Unpleasant orange concentrate have been promoted like a weight reduction help just as craving suppressant, yet since it might support pulse just as pulse, clinical specialists recommend alert. Calorie counters need to look for counsel from their PCPs first. Unpleasant orange, when utilized orally, may likewise make cooperations alongside different medications like cholesterol bringing down statins, in the way much like grapefruit. Customarily, unpleasant orange blossom just as harsh orange oil were used to help alleviate gastrointestinal surprise, lower glucose in people with diabetes, and furthermore to advance blood course. It totally was additionally considered to assist people with sleep deprivation to rest better, and furthermore to liven up tired blood, or even frailty. In fragrance-based treatment, unpleasant orange has an enlivening, rejuvenating impact. Recorded are a couple of notable health preferences of bitter orange. 1. Advantages to the skin. One of the primary focal points of harsh orange is its astringent ability. It absorbs extreme sebum, helping balance the making of oil in the skin, quieting over dynamic slick just as skin inflammation inclined sorts. However, it doesn't strip the skin as can some unforgiving over-the-counter engineered recipes. In the wake of using a recipe alongside unpleasant orange, skin feels adjusted, revived, and prepared for moisturization. Severe orange strip, especially, additionally offers mitigating, hostile to bacterial, and anti-contagious characteristics, that makes it once more, ideal for skin inflammation-inclined skin tones. Combining the offsetting impact with the counterbacterial impact helps with keeping the skin perfect and liberated from over-the-top oil, while the mitigating activity quiets bothering and redness, helping skin to recover from past wounds. These sorts of properties likewise settle on severe orange, the ideal decision at whatever point you're fighting contagious contaminations simply like competitor's foot and ringworm. Take a stab at applying the unpleasant orange oil straightforwardly on the contamination. You can likewise use harsh orange tea. You may likewise utilize cooled unpleasant orange tea sacks on the eyes to quiet expanding and help wake up sagging eyes. There is one alert: when using harsh orange in your skin, it makes you more receptive to UV beams, so ensure, as usual, to use sunscreen and sun assurance dress to defend the skin. 2. Weight reduction. Unpleasant orange comprises of an alkaloid known as synephrine, which has likenesses to ephedra, a medication restricted by the Food and Drug Administration because of risky circulatory strain rises. It truly is indistinct whether synephrine has a similar level of reaction as ephedra. In the 6-week study distributed in Flow Therapeutic Research, researchers gave harsh orange, caffeine, and St. John's wort to the little gathering of individuals, and fake treatment to another gathering. The gathering taking unpleasant orange lost a great deal of weight, while the fake treatment bunch didn't, showing that severe orange, caffeine just as St. John's wort have critical weight reduction properties. 3. Stomach-related aid. Unpleasant orange is notable in customary Chinese medication like a stomach-related guide. To begin with, it is known to help with weight reduction, in light of the fact that the concentrate stifles your craving. At the point when required, it might likewise improve the craving. Harsh orange strip is normally suggested for this situation. The organic product in like manner helps on the off chance that you have a vexed stomach. The blossom just as oil of the plant are recommended concerning managing gastrointestinal issues. This incorporates well-being conditions like the runs, blockage, intestinal gas, ulcers inside the digestive tract, or blood and defecation. Additionally, they can help with liver and gallbladder issues, notwithstanding kidney and bladder issues. 4. Useful for the vascular framework. Severe orange is magnificent for the vascular framework, as well. It can profit direct the fat levels inside the blood and lower blood glucose levels in the individuals who have diabetes. It stimulates the course and it has purging characteristics, filtering the blood. It might likewise help people who have lower pulse level by expanding it. Different uses of bitter orange. In fragrant healing, the basic oil of harsh orange is utilized on the skin and furthermore breathed in like a painkiller. In nourishments, severe orange oil is used like an enhancing operator. The product of harsh orange is used to make preserves just as alcohols like Triple Sec, Grand Marnier, Cointreau, and Curaçao. Since the product of harsh orange is truly acrid and unpleasant, severe orange organic product is infrequently expended, except for Iran and Mexico. The dried strip of the natural product is moreover used as a flavoring. In assembling, harsh orange oil is used in drugs, beautifiers, and cleansers. In Asian medication, the entire dried unripe organic product is used fundamentally for stomach-related issues. Harsh orange is frequently used in, without ephedra, items since the FDA restricted ephedra in 2004 for genuine reactions on the heart. Unpleasant orange and caffeine, a standard blend in weight reduction just as working out items, may cause hypertension levels and furthermore expanded pulse in solid grown-ups with in any case typical circulatory strain. There isn't any verification to call attention to that harsh orange is any more secure than ephedra. Unpleasant orange oil is used in nourishments, makeup, and fragrance-based treatment items. Unpleasant orange oil through the tree's leaves is known as petitgrain, and oil from the blossoms is called neroli. Harsh orange has been used in customary Chinese medication and furthermore by nearby individuals of the Amazon rainforest for queasiness, acid reflux, and obstruction. Current society or customary employments of unpleasant orange are reasonable for acid reflux, loss of craving, nasal clog, just as weight reduction. It is likewise utilized on the skin for contagious contaminations like ringworm and competitor's foot. The dried leafy foods and once in a while blossoms and leaves are taken by mouth in concentrates, tablets, and cases. Severe orange oil can be applied on the skin. Pregnancy and bosom taking care of. Harsh orange is presumably sheltered while pregnant at whatever point used in the sums present in food. Notwithstanding, unpleasant orange is potentially hazardous at whatever point used in restorative sums. The impacts of harsh orange on bosom taking care of babies are known. Stay erring on the side of caution and forestall utilizing harsh orange while pregnant or bosom taking care of. Diabetes. Some verification shows that harsh orange may meddle with glucose levels control in patients alongside type 2 diabetes. Use Use alongside alert and screen blood glucose levels cautiously. Hypertension. A few examinations guarantee that unpleasant orange, especially related to caffeine, can support pulse level in sound individuals. Other examination has found no such pulse rise. Until this point, there haven't been any investigations taking a gander at the impact of unpleasant orange on pulse in people who currently have hypertension levels. Try not to face a challenge. Avoid harsh orange, especially related to energizers like caffeine, on the off chance that you have hypertension levels.